Still over-trusting rigid enterprise software while treating your data as an afterthought? You're starving your decision makers and AI of the truth. I'm Randy McClure with SC Tech Insights. Relying on dumb integrations and software silos guarantees you'll operate in the blind. In this video, we'll show you a way out of this truth crisis.
Multi-agent AI is scaling cognitive processing across global supply chains, but these automated engines are starving, throttled by a truth crisis at the data layer. This briefing covers the mechanics of the new cognitive assembly line, the operational failures of dumb integrations, and how computer vision AI acts as a high-speed bypass for legacy IT hurdles. Achieving the speed promised by AI requires correcting the underlying data reality first. This historical assembly line scaled physical production in the 1920s. Today, multi-agent AI applies that same sequential logic to analytical workflows, creating a cognitive assembly line that executes decisions in milliseconds. This shift elevates the workforce. Professionals who once manually operated spreadsheets must now act as cognitive line managers, overseeing automated exception handling and strategic direction. Running this system at scale requires a just-in-time data pipeline. Instead, many organizations fuel their AI with fragmented, low-quality data trapped in application-centric silos. The truth crisis stems from dumb integrations. Systems successfully exchange raw data, but without shared definitions, the receiving system strips its context. For example, a transmitted ship date is imported perfectly, but interpreted as a delivery date, creating a digital disconnect that derails planning. Belated data cleansing cannot solve this. Millions spent on AI algorithms are wasted if the enterprise integrations themselves lack contextual truth. To step aside the misinterpretations inherent in legacy data mapping, logistics leaders are using computer vision AI to capture visual truth directly. The system bypasses traditional integration hurdles by relying on the inherent clarity of an image. Local cameras capture the event, but the interpretation happens at a centralized cloud AI module. Using a single AI engine to translate photos into status messages eliminates the custom mapping errors that occur when two different systems try to define the same event. While computer vision provides an immediate technological bypass, true end-to-end visibility requires a broader data-ready enterprise shift. Leadership must pivot from an application-centric mindset to a data-first approach. This means treating data as a permanent strategic asset rather than a temporary byproduct of software. This requires centralized enterprise data security and shared business glossaries to ensure that a status like shipped means exactly the same thing to every human and AI agent in the organization. It also necessitates a golden thread identifier, such as a transport unit identifier. This shipper-generated ID unifies fragmented data across the entire lifecycle, from the initial forecast to final payment. Fusing high-speed AI bypasses with a unified data-ready foundation builds a competitive moat that isolates reactive organizations from those dictating the pace of their industry. You cannot run a high-velocity multi-agent AI engine on a crumbling siloed data foundation. To stop operating in the blind, access the full research blueprint from Randy McClure at SC Tech Insights. Modern supply chains must secure their data readiness today to convert mass decision automation into a measurable operational advantage.
Hello, this is Randy McClure from SC Tech Insights. Thank you for listening.